How can I make my CV to be attractive to my potential recruiters or hiring managers? This is a question that most professionals find themselves asking every time they're about to send an application. Hence, the reason why we're having this discussion in this video today. As usual, my name is Mary, and I'm glad to be joined by one of our CV writing experts, Ruth, who will be joining me in this conversation. Thank you, Ruth, for joining in.
It's a pleasure.
Great. Every candidate, every professional, whenever sending out an application, they want their CVs to be attractive. They want to be shortlisted for an interview. And the question normally is, how can they make it more attractive? So without compromising professionalism, because that is where they might drop the ball. What are some of the design elements that can enhance the visual appeal of a CV?
Now for that, we have one of them being consistent formatting. For consistent formatting is where you pick simple font size or the same font size in the whole CV. The font style should also be the same. You cannot mix maybe the career profile summary, you've used a different font size and font style. Then in the work experience, you also use different. Your CV will be too tacky. So use the same font size and the same font style throughout. The second one, we have the use of bullet points. Use bullet points while listing your responsibilities or duties. Don't just put them as a block or as a paragraph. When you use bullet points, at least it makes your work easy and readable. Use the third one, we have use white spacing. Make sure you space your work properly for easy readability also. But when you see your work is too squeezed, it will be so difficult for the recruiter to read through your document. So use white spacing.
So by white spacing, you mean from one section to another?
Maybe you are from the career profile summary, space it. You go to the key skills and competence, space it. Don't just put them together. Another one, we have the use of professional colors. For this one, people tend to forget. They think by using colors like orange, pink or red, it will make your document more attractive, but it doesn't make your work more attractive. In fact, it takes all the importance. It takes all the importance from the content. So instead of the recruiter to focus on the content, they'll be focusing on the colors. So the professional colors you can use, we have dark blue, dark gray, or black. Dark colors. Dark blue, dark gray, or black. Not these shouting colors like green, blue, green, red, or pink. Yeah.
Thank you so much for that elaborate explanation. Now, over and above the design elements that we've talked about, what other ways can a candidate make their CV to be more attractive?
Now for these ones, we have the first one being picking a very clean layout. A clean layout, I mean a simple format. Something that prioritizes content over design. Don't pick something too creative. You find someone picking a format with some flowers, a lot of border lines. Just pick something simple, because you also have to know nowadays recruiters use the ATS compliant system. So when you pick a format which has a lot going on, it will be so difficult for the software to pick the keywords from the CV. So number one, we said pick a clean layout or a very simple format. Number two, it's tailoring your CV for that specific job description. When doing that, will make your CV more attractive. Tailor it for that specific job description before even making the application. At least it will give you a high chance of being shortlisted. Number three, we have incorporate action words. By action words, I mean words like I managed, oversaw if you are in a senior position, managed, oversaw, things like those ones. But if you are not in a senior position, you can use words like supported, assisted. Another thing you can include links if you have links. By links, you can include links to your LinkedIn profile if you have your LinkedIn profile, or links to your portfolio. We have like professions like engineers. Maybe there's some designs you have and they're in a certain portfolio and you have a link to that. You can include that link so that it can be easy for the recruiter to see your work. So number one, we said a clean layout. Tailoring your CV for that specific job description, incorporate action words, and include links.
Great. Someone watching this video and perhaps they are in a situation where they are wondering how to make their CV more attractive, what is your final word to them as we conclude the video?
So my final advice, I will still stick to that one point of picking a very simple
Layout.
and clean layout, because that's where people do everything wrong. Maybe you are qualified for that position, you have all the requirements for that position, but when I look at your CV like this, I can't even continue reading it. You see, it's not that attractive to me. Attractive does not mean including pictures or borderlines or dividing your work. No, that does not mean attractive when you come to the job market or tailoring your CV. Another thing is always tailor or customize your CV to that specific position you are applying. Don't use the same CV you did 5 years ago to make applications every single day. Every organization or industry, they have their specific requirements. So if you made an application yesterday for a certain position, the requirements for that organization are not the same with the requirements for this other organization. So make the JD, let the JD guide you while tailoring or customizing your CV.
Wow.
Yeah.
Very engaging. I believe anyone watching the video has been able to take home some few points,
Yes.
if not everything. Of course, we've been discussing a lot about interviews in our previous videos and even on CVs. So I believe this course will really come in handy for them.
Yes.
Thank you for sharing with us.
You're welcome.
First impression matters even when it comes to CV and just to make it more attractive to any potential recruiter. Hence the need to ensure that the layout or the format design is as simple and appealing as possible. Just as Ruth has mentioned, we still encourage you to share with us your CV. The review is absolutely free, and Ruth, together with her team, will be able to reach out and advise on how attractive or appealing the CV is. If not, how best can it be tailored. The link below will guide you on how to reach out to us, and we look forward to seeing you in our upcoming videos. Thank you for watching.